Welcome to my channel. It's time for One Wonderful Word with Effie. That's me. I love to learn new words. And one wonderful word that I've learned is the word chic. Ooh, that's fun to say. Chic. Today, I'm going to tell you what the word chic means, where the word chic comes from, and how to use chic in a sentence. Ready? Let's go! Have you ever seen somebody whose outfit looked really nice, or who had a quite lovely hairstyle? Or maybe they just looked super fashionable and stylish. Something about their appearance was classy and sophisticated. They just looked really nice. You really liked it. That means that they looked chic. The word chic means elegantly and stylishly fashionable. If you use the word chic in a sentence, you might say, Tony's new haircut is chic. That would mean that her haircut is fashionable. It's stylish. Something about it you really like. Let's learn more about the word chic. I like the word chic because I feel like it's super fancy. And guess what? It's actually a French word. So when you say chic, you are actually speaking a little French. Ooh la la! France is a country in Europe, and people who live in France speak French. In French, chic means stylishness. And if you want to get super fancy, you could say très chic, from the French très chic, meaning very stylish. So if you use très chic in a sentence, you might say, Tony's new haircut is très chic, meaning her new haircut is very stylish. Let's say chic together. First, we are going to say chic one time slowly. Chic. That was good. Let's say it again. And this time, we are going to say chic 2 times slowly. Ready? Let's go. Chic. Chic. Very good. Let's say it a little bit faster. We are going to say chic 3 times a little bit faster. Are you ready? Let's do it. Chic, chic, chic. Excellent! Let's say it even faster. We are going to say chic super fast 9 times. Can you do it? Of course you can. Ready? Let's go! Chic, 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 chic. Wow! That was pretty good. I bet you can go even faster. Let's do it. We are going to say chic, which means stylish or fashionable, as fast as we can, 24 times. Are you ready? Let's go. Chic, 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 chic. Wow! You are amazing! You just learned a new word and you said it super fast. You learned the word chic, which means stylish or fashionable. Yay! I had so much fun learning with you today, and you can keep learning. Tell your parents to go to thebighairbook.com and download your free activity sheets, including your gift from me, the Big Hair Coloring and Activity Book. And be sure to use your new word, chic, in a sentence. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. You are so awesome and smart and capable of doing anything you put your mind to. I'll see you next time. Until then, happy learning.